You can date for 5 years as girlfriend and boyfriend without fighting or anything. Now you decide to get married to be a husband and wife. You know that your marriage can last even for 1 year or 6 months, or you separate each other. Because the way you are dating, you don't know each other well. But now you are staying together. You are showing now to each other your true colors. Because sometimes you want to know how the kind of the person. That's why maybe you are dating for 5 years, and now maybe you saw that person, you can stay with that person the rest of your life. Guys, sometimes guys, you can date for a long time, but your marriage doesn't last. Even to last or 6 months, you want to separate each other. Sometimes guys, you can be shocked that those people, they loved each other. What's going on? Because now they are married. Guys, there is some of the evil spirits. Those evil spirits, they don't want you to stay in a marriage sometimes. That's why you are separate each other. You are starting. Guys, you know that when you are married to that person, now you are staying with that person. Guys, you are starting fighting, showing each other true colors, or being irritating with that person. Even the way that person is sleeping or snore at the night. So sometimes guys, that's why people, they are separate each other, even evil spirits, because the devil doesn't want people who are married, those couples, and the devil came to that people. That's why you saw many marriages, they are fighting.